Money can buy you a watch, but not time. It can buy you a bed, but not sleep. Money can buy you the most expensive watch. Wearing it, you can show off to everyone. But it will show the same time as shown by a normal watch. Wearing that expensive watch will give status for sure, but time will not go according to you. You cannot get the time, it will go as it is. People seem to think that they can make their problems go away with more money, but in reality, more money cannot solve your every problem. There are millionaires and billionaires who file bankruptcy every year. Some people have more money than most people can dream of. They also have a spending problem that is far stronger than their income. Money will never solve your real problems. People often talk about how money can bring you peace of mind. There is nothing wrong with wanting more money, and there is nothing wrong with admitting that more money would solve some of our problems and give us a certain peace of mind. In most cases, more money makes life easier, but we are lying to ourselves when we say that money is a solution for everything we need. Money cannot buy true friendship or love. It cannot heal your loneliness. Yes, money can give you a certain amount of happiness and peace of mind, but it cannot give you everything. Money is lovable because it makes so many things in life easier, and having more money can definitely improve our life to some extent. But despite everything that money can do, it will never be able to give us everything, not even if we have more money than we need. If you want to develop a healthy mindset about money, it begins with understanding that even if money could solve a lot of your problems, it will never be able to solve them all.